What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and today is track day, man. We about to get old Meech out, and we headed to Hustle Hard Be the Reason track event. Y'all know I'm support Hustle Hard, man. Been supporting them a long time, so we throughout the week. This week been crazy. This week been hectic. I'm telling you, between carburetor work and getting that car ready, it been crazy. So I'm about to get Meech out. We about to get loaded up, and then I'm gonna get to the track. I don't know if I'm gonna be a lot of dialogue. I'm really focusing on testing too. This is the first time out with this car since we made the change, and we're gonna see how it go, man. We just gonna see how it go. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm finna get in motion, and we'll see y'all at the track. All right, y'all see we made it. A little noisy, a little windy, and all of that. About to get this thing off the trailer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my tire first, and then back to jump out the trailer and be ready. Make the first peg, cause y'all know everything new. So I gotta kind of figure everything out again, man. So you know, we're gonna see what happens, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So I got in the class. It's just 3 of us, and I have to run LDR again. Monte Carlo, man, we just keep running each other. So finna get some fuel in the car. I got the nitrous strapped in. I have not made a nitrous pad and tested, so I'm testing really. They're gonna be my first pad, man, on nitrous. It's new with these changes that I made, so we're gonna see how it go, man. Try to get down the track. I ain't got down the track now time. Been blessing the tire, but I think we're gonna be all right. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, checking in. So this shootout went number 3 cars. We in the finals. Baby Jane, aka LDR, they went red. And I just used off. I sprayed nitrous and stuff, but it wasn't no. It wasn't. Meech been acting a donkey today, man. But that's why I said I'm really testing. Because y'all know I haven't had a chance to try out nothing. Like these my first hits on the car. So I'm trying to figure everything out, but I was gonna support the class, win, lose, or draw. Cause I ain't got down the track clean now time, not even on motor. The car definitely faster. It's most definitely faster. Cause me and wife were comparing the tickets. It's most definitely faster. If you know what you're looking at, you can tell. So the car faster. I just ain't got it to go. It's faster all across the board on motor, which of course gonna be faster on nitrous. But I just haven't got it to go. I'm at the mercy of the track today. I adjusted the shots and stuff and all of that. I don't know what I ran right there because they don't give tickets on shootouts. But we gonna see, man. I got this last round. I supposed to race a Regal, or LSA Regal, but we're gonna see how that go. And just stay tuned, y'all. right, y'all, we checking in. So pulled the W out for the class. I just had to do one race cause the other car, I don't know what happened. He just didn't make it up in time enough. So I don't know if he had something going on with it. Which it didn't matter. I mean, I wanted to run the race, and I say it didn't matter whether I didn't have to or if I did. I just wanted to do either or, cause I'm out here just really testing or whatever. And you know, I'm grateful for everything, cause I really wasn't looking to do too much of nothing out here today, especially with how the day started and went. You know, and even today, y'all, I didn't make a clean pass. Not with now time today, but that's why I put stress on not waiting till the last minute. I made changes to the car, so I did my first day out. This is my first day out testing, so you know, it figuring everything out all over again. The distribution of power, all this stuff, everything, it got to be figured out. So, but even though I didn't make any clean pass today, I made 4 hits, two motor, 2 nitrous. Neither one was clean. The last pass, when the nitrous came in on in fully, on down, it got on the tire, and I had to get off of it, and it killed the ramp. So even what I saw then, I was like, okay, the car faster. The car faster on motor, the car faster on nitrous. I seen that. I seen on the ticket, but I got to get it figured out again. So it's definitely gonna be some test vlogs coming in, y'all. Like y'all, it's gonna be a lot more testing until I get it figured out on the wheels again. I'm gonna put the radials on, cause that's really what I want to see. I really don't care nothing about the wheels. I want to see the radials. That's why I make the changes to get the car. Ooh, this thing loud. To get the car to go down on radials. So I'm finna get it loaded up, man. Then we're gonna collect the winnings and all that, and we're gonna head on back, man. All right, y'all, who's checking in? So look, we're at the track, man. Tupac done pulled up, man. It's a bad machine right here, y'all. Bad machine right here. Been putting the work in. I told him since he had some difficulty, he couldn't make it, I had to hold it down for him. So we pulled off the W, man. But that's it, man. It's a bad ride right here, y'all. Yes, indeed. All right, y'all, we checking in. So it's the next day. I ain't think about closing nothing out last night because I was tired, man. I had to put all this stuff up. You know, all of that. So I'm out here early in the morning, back to business, getting these carburetors done. I've been shipping them out like crazy. I got one going to Virginia today. I got the boxed up, ready to roll. I got a couple in Alabama, a couple in South Carolina, a couple in Florida, a couple in Tennessee. Literally, for real, about 10 or 12 I done shipped out and stuff. They going pretty quick, but I'm grateful for it all, man. I give God all the glory, truly, man, because to be able to learn something as quickly as I have, I can't do it on my own. So I'm just grateful for that, man, and that's what I've been doing every day, y'all. I've been having to do these carburetors every day. And I got a whole rack over there now. Like, I got so many. I just get them, man. I got so many. I'm just trying to perfect it, man. So what we're going to have coming, I'm finna get into deep, like real deep tuning too. Knowing how to master tune these things. So I'm about to put wide bands on all the cars. So we'll be going to Lawless and going to see my boy Justin too. We used to work at Lawless too. So I'm getting wide bands on everything. So we got that. But all in all, man, this whole thing right here, old Meech, he did pretty good. But what y'all saw, it was nowhere near perfect passes, as y'all know. But you know, I ain't lay down no personal best or nothing yesterday. But the car is faster. I know I done said that a lot in the vlog, but it is, man. I done had time to wake up this morning and study the tickets and look at the 60, 330 ET mile per hour. The mile per hour is insane. It's faster. It just, I have to figure it all out. And that's what happened when you making changes and you working with these cars. Don't make a bunch of changes at once, because if you have a problem, then you ain't gonna know what caused the problem. And it just makes it that much harder to try to figure the car out, because when you change something, you gonna have to figure the car out today, and not today, but this vlog showed that I have to figure Meech out all over again, man. So it's definitely gonna be some testing going on video, off video. Cause I do sporadic, spur of the moment stuff. Me and wife will go test and stuff. So it's definitely gonna be some testing to be done on these, but mainly these big boys right here. That's why I did what I did. I got a bone to pick with these right here, cause we never got down the track on nitrous. So these going on very soon. Putting the radios back on this joker, and then going to the track and spray the house down. See if we can go down. Well, we're gonna get a little bit first. Just get down the track. We need an A to B pass on nitrous. Get down the track. That'll be a step in the right direction. But it's definitely more manageable on nitrous. And what I was spraying, the 2 passes I made today, excuse me, it was on some light, like a light load just to see, but it still was getting on the tires when it hit 100%. Which, I mean, I'm not saying 100% of power, but at the end of the ramp, I should say, when it was full in on whatever I was gonna bring it in on, it was hitting the tire, man. This car spun every single pass. It spun on motor, both passes, right at the 60, right before the 60. It spun on nitrous, both passes, one on out there, and the first pass, the first pass, it was spinning. Oh, that was in the shootout. The first pass, it was spinning, and it was on the rail limiter, cost of the spinning. It hit the rail limiter, and it was on spinning, boom, 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 boom. So back off of it. So every time you take your foot off, it resets the ramp. So that last pass really showed me exactly how fast this joker gonna be on these wheels. This joker gonna be insanely fast when I get it dialed in. But that last pass, when the nitrous came in, you heard the tires, and what you saw on video, it felt more extreme in the car. But it did unload the tire, not just a little. It sounded like a little. It unloaded the tires. I can feel them. I said it felt like ice. So I got off of it and then went back in it, and the rest of the pass was on motor because the ramp didn't even have enough time to start again. So it was like a fraction of a second nitrous spray, pretty much. But all in all, that's what you go for. I just jumped in the class, just support. I really wasn't looking to win. Cause when I did my first 2 motor pass, I said, they're gonna be one of the days. And Meech just wanna spin, and this not the day to test. But we're gonna go where we can really test, cause I'm gonna have to change shocks, shock settings and all that. But y'all know me, I'm gonna get it figured out. And next time y'all see it, probably gonna be just like, yeah, like a rocket. But yeah, man, that's it. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG.